Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. Japanese small car specialist Daihatsu, a subsidiary of Toyota, has had its production lines screeched to a halt amidst a government investigation into decades of falsified safety results. According to a new report by ABC News, the Japanese brand has shut down production at all 4 of its factories after admitting to improper testing of 64 models, with some cases dating back over 30 years. Daihatsu has also suspended all vehicle shipments within the domestic market as well as exports outside of Japan. These closures are expected to have a significant effect on Japan's economy, with ABC News quoting market research by Teikoku Databank that says Daihatsu's factory supply chains include 8,136 companies across Japan with sales totaling 2.2 trillion yen, $22.6 billion. It's reported the improper testing and data falsification affects some 64 models and 3 different vehicle engines, including 22 models and 1 engine sold by the Toyota brand. Some Mazda and Subaru models in Japan are also affected, as well as Daihatsu and Toyota export models. ABC News reports an internal probe by Daihatsu found 174 new cases of irregularities in safety tests and procedures across 25 testing categories, on top of already known issues. The saga started in April of this year, when the Japanese company reported improper testing of door linings, which led to reports of improper side collision testing in May. Daihatsu's falsification of data and unauthorized test procedures in this area have been found to date back to 1989, according to reports. Daihatsu president, Seihiro Okadara, told Japanese media the company acknowledges the cheating on safety tests and procedures, equating the conduct to neglecting safety certification entirely. Further, Mr. Okadara attributed the misconduct to increasing pressure on the company's workers to meet ambitious demands and tight development deadlines, according to the ABC News report. In a media statement, the company says, "Daihatsu deeply apologized to our customers and other stakeholders for causing great inconvenience and concern with regards to the procedural irregularities in certification application." Daihatsu remains a significant vehicle manufacturer in Japan with popular models including its compact high-jet trucks and vans, as well as mirror passenger vehicles. The company manufactured around 870,000 vehicles across its 4 plants during the 2022 fiscal year. Daihatsu hasn't communicated a date for the resumption of its operations, though Japanese media is reporting that production will be suspended right through January at a minimum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.